Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Today's video I am doing a double Louis Vuitton vintage haul. I ordered some things from TheRealReal, and if you are interested in what I have to unbox, stay tuned. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscription button. Also, while you're at it, smash the bell notification button so that you will never miss an upload from me. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So like I mentioned in the intro, I am doing a double Louis Vuitton vintage haul or unboxing. I was recently on TheRealReal and Fashion File. I do have a Fashion File unboxing that is coming up, but that's going to be in a separate video. So technically I've done like 3 vintage Louis Vuitton shopping. I've been really like ordering a lot of vintage Louis Vuitton pieces, and 2 of the items, well, all 3 of the items have been something that's been on my wish list. The Fashion File item, that was just like a random spare the moment type of vintage purchase. When I unbox that, I'll give you all the background detail on how I ended up getting that piece, but it wasn't really something that was on my wish list like these 2 items that I'm unboxing in this video. Like I said, both of these items came from TheRealReal. I love TheRealReal. If you're not familiar with them, they are a luxury consignment a website and now storefront. We have 1 location here in Georgia, in Buckhead, that's Fulton County, in Atlanta, and then other locations in surrounding states. But I've been to the physical location like 1 time. I haven't been back ever since. It's kind of, if you don't know where it is, it's kind of difficult to find. Parking is not always the easiest. Parking's not free either. But it's, if you go to the one in Atlanta, it's in the Buckhead shops, or Christian Louboutin. It's on the same side of Buckhead shops as Christian Louboutin, but it's like on the corner nearest Capitol Grill, kind of like tucked away. And it's really small. It's really nice. They have some really nice pieces. When I was there, I should have filmed. I'm not that great at filming in public. Just because I'd be so caught up in the moment of what I'm doing that filming is like not the first thing on my mind. But the next time I go, I'll make sure I will record inside if recording is allowed. Like I said, it's pretty small. They have a jewelry section, clothing section, and the handbags are kind of like intertwined into the major sections like the jewelry and clothing and shoes. But it's a really nice shop. It's not any shop that I would want to go back to, but if I wanted to sell something quickly, I would just go there. But anywho, like I mentioned, I ordered my pieces off the website. 2 of these items I have been wanting for a really long time. 1 of these items have been discontinued by Louis Vuitton, and so I really wanted it in my collection. If you've been watching my videos for some time, especially some of my older videos, you might be able to guess what I'm going to unbox, because I've mentioned how I am a proud handbag offender, and I have no regret or no hesitations on not wanting to buy the same handbag in either a different size or a different colorway or a different canvas. With me saying canvas, well, I said it's a Louis Vuitton unboxing, so that kind of gives it away, but it is a discontinued item, and it is something that I've been wanting, and it is an item that I have been talking about in previous videos of saying how I want the next size in a different canvas. So let's get right into it, right? So here's my box that I got from TheRealReal. Their unboxings are very underwhelming. It literally comes in a cardboard box with bubble paper and then an informational card, and it tells you how to sell with TheRealReal. I've never sold anything through TheRealReal before, but the information is nice. I've always sold items through Fashion File when I would sell. So in my last video, when I did my double Louis Vuitton unboxing, I had mentioned, you remember the orange box? You remember the brown boxes before the orange boxes? How funny, right after that video, I received my item in the brown Louis Vuitton box. This item was around when this box was around. They just recently switched over to the orange boxes, so I'm happy to have mine because I know I still have my brown bag from my Speedy, but I just don't know if I have the box that my Speedy came in, and I don't think I do. So now I have a brown box. So maybe you can guess, if you've been a longtime subscriber of mine, maybe you can guess what this item is. If you want to go ahead and pause this video and guess in the comment section down below, that's highly encouraged. But if not, here is the moment of truth. So I'm gonna count her down. 3, 2, and 1. So I purchased the Louis Vuitton favorite in the MM size in the monogram canvas. I have the same bag in the Damier Ebene print in the PM size, which is the smaller size of the tan bag. Ever since I created my video, uploaded my video on YouTube about the Damier Ebene favorite, I've just been seeing favorite videos all over YouTube, especially in the monogram MM canvas size. So here she is. This is the monogram the monogram favorite. It comes with a magnetic closure with gold hardware. On the inside, it is a large compartment with the beautiful burgundy interior, and it has a slip pocket in the back. And it says Louis Vuitton Paris. Whoever had this bag last must have really never carried it because it is in perfect condition. The only thing that's missing from this bag is the vachetta strap, which I'm not worried about because I have several different strap options, but it did come with the chain strap. I did not take off the tagging just yet or the packaging that it came in. When I received my bag, it did come with the original dust bag, and they gave me the receipt envelope that it came in. The RealReal authenticates all of their bags, so this is an authentic Louis Vuitton handbag. I saw this. The reason why I want this handbag because the PM size is a nice size. It holds quite a bit, but the MM, after I saw like videos of it on YouTube, the MM size holds way more. It's the canvas is very stretchy. So this is the side, this is the front, this is the other side, and this is the back. They discontinued this favorite, I want to say around 2016, 2017. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. And then last year they came out with the new model favorite, which I am not a huge fan for. I'll insert a picture of it right here. Where it has a chunkier, like the closure is kind of like the Pochette Matisse closure. I will insert a picture here. I will also insert the spec details of this handbag in the description box down below. I saw a video of Shea Whitney with this bag, and she had the 16 millimeter monogram canvas strap, and she would attach that strap, since it's an adjustable strap, with this handbag, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I also have the monogram bandolier strap, which I think will also look super gorgeous on this handbag too. I'm just really excited to have her. I'm not upset that it did not come with the vachetta strap, but I am happy that it came with the gold chain strap, because it just makes this bag even classier and really pretty. So this is the first item that I purchased, and an item that I can finally check off of my wish list. So yep, the Louis Vuitton favorite in monogram canvas size MM. And if you want me to do a comparison between my Damier Ebene PM and this monogram favorite MM, just comment that down below and I can do a comparison video. That's completely fine. I actually owe you all a lot of comparison videos, so just bear with me as I get these videos that I have scheduled out, and then those other videos will be coming soon. I read all of y'all's comments and I take notes on any video suggestion that you all recommend, because I'm here to make you all happy. So the next item that I have that I'm going to show is actually quite large. I might have to do some b-roll shots of it so you all can see like the full scope of this item, but I'm just gonna take it out of the dust bag, and here it is. This bag is a Louis Vuitton Keep All. This is from the year 1993. So this bag is 27 years old, and it is in immaculate condition. There is no smell. The patina is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just gonna bring it back to life. It's been sitting in its dust bag. The only thing that I am a little bummed out about that the pictures didn't show on the RealReal was this oil stain that's on the bag that's right there. I wish that, you know, that was mentioned in the description, but it wasn't. But the other caveat behind that is that this bag has patinaed so nicely. I don't even want to get it repaired, because I know with like the sun and me traveling with it that it would just get this way again. But like 95% of me want to go 95% of me wants to ship it off to Louis Vuitton to get the vachetta repaired. But it is a beautiful bag. I'm definitely gonna have to do, because I can't just hold it up and show you all, because it's that big of a bag, but I'm gonna have to do some b-roll so you can like really see the details and everything. When I unzip the bag, it does not have a pocket. It's basically a travel speedy. That's easy for me to compare it to. It didn't come with a lock or anything. There's no place to place the lock unless you put it on your zipper pulls to lock and secure your bag, but my bag didn't come with that. I'm completely fine with that, because this would be like a weekender bag, not something necessarily that I'll take on an airplane. But like I said, the vachetta is really nice. It's in really great condition. Whoever had this last did a really good job of taking care of this handbag, despite the fact that it has like a little oil spill on it. I'm like totally in love. I rather have gone the vintage route, just because the travel bags now on the Louis Vuitton website are just absolutely ridiculous. On the RealReal, I paid $800 for this, where if you were to get it on the Louis Vuitton website, you're spending $2,000-ish, and that's not even including taxes and shipping, if they're not still doing complimentary shipping. So I was like, yes, I could get it back for $800 than just get it repaired. Still under $2,000. So I saved more money going this route than I would have purchasing a brand new one. So I'm gonna do some b-roll so that you can actually see the beauty of that bag. It's gorgeous. I've been wanting a weekender bag for a really long time. I do still have my Speedy 40, which still can act as a weekend bag for me, but that would be considered like smaller, more like condensed trips, like 2-day, 3-day trips. And then this weekender can act for like 3-day, 4-day, 5-day trips, because you're able to pack a lot more in it. So I'm really happy with my purchases. Actually, the Louis Vuitton favorite is not actually a vintage item just yet, but the Keep All is, because it was from the 1993 collection. And I think the favorites came out, honestly, I'm gonna have to research that, and I'll put it somewhere in the video or in the description box down below when the style of the favorites came out. But yes, I'm super excited to have these items. another few items that is checked off my wish list. So that concludes today's video. If you like today's video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram. And until next time, my loves, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Mwah.